Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to sign in to Filmora on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open this Filmora applications, and if you want to sign in to Filmora here, you just go ahead to this mine option at the bottom. After, tap on this join Filmora. Now you can continue with your Apple account, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna tap on continue with Apple. Now tap on continue at the bottom. Here I have to make a Face ID first, and now it will be look like this. And yeah, it will be automatically logged into our account on Filmora with our Apple account. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.